Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Mini band workout. I'm using a lighter mini band. It's not something tight, maybe 10-20 pounds. As you can see, it's not very tight. Let's get started. Inhale first. Exhale. By the way, many people was asking me about my breathing method. I do believe that we need to inhale more oxygen during the day, especially when we are practicing, because our heartbeat goes higher and then our oxygen can maintain our heartbeat more stable. So we need to work really good with your inhales and exhales. Deeper, better. Here we go. We're gonna start with upper back and then moving forward. So first thing, open them, straight arms, tight in front. And then from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna squeeze your upper back. Relax your trapeze, shoulder blades should push only down, backwards, down and backwards. Your arms should push towards the side and you're pushing backwards, nice and smooth. Make sure you're really keeping your body tight and pushing really nice. Let me check, oh, my mic is working. I was complaining about this. Okay, then let's work 12. Only back. 2, nice. Squeeze your upper back. 3, 4, lats also work. 5, 6, nice. 7, push. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 12, 11, 12. Lock, as you can see, lock everything up and hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay. The next thing, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna move our hips backwards first. Keep your arms same, and then from here I want you to do the same thing. You're gonna rotate your palms inside first, inside, right? And from here we're gonna drive back, squeeze your upper back as more as possible. Squeeze as more as possible. Here we go. Inhale, arms straight in front and squeeze. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, nice. 6, 12, 7, upper back. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Release. One more time, we're gonna do this way. We should not lock, we should just push it towards the side and drive it backwards. It is a little bit other angle. Same hip, drive backwards, straight arms in front. We're gonna push our arms wider a little bit, and we're gonna squeeze your upper back more. Here we go, 12. First one was more tighter, now it's more lighter. Here we go. And to push your arms towards the side more. 3, 4, squeeze. 5, go ahead. 6, nice. 7, squeeze. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Back up. Awesome. One more set will be, we're gonna add difficulty, we're gonna do with one arm. So rotate inside, hold it tight, arms in front. We're gonna drive only with one arm. 12 on each arm. So make sure you're working with your lat and upper back. Squeeze and back. Here we go. 12. Left first. 2, 3, nice. 4, squeeze. 5, go ahead. 6, nice. 7, awesome. 8, push. 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Switching. Right leg, same thing. Right arm, same thing. Here we go. And squeeze. 2, nice. 3, push. 4, nice. 5, squeeze. 6, go ahead. 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and back up. Awesome. One more exercise will be more for upper back. So we're gonna do the same. Lock inside, rotate inside, but then we're gonna drop our band towards our chest. Hips backwards, arms in front, and we're gonna squeeze towards the chest. As you can see, elbows go a little bit outside, not too much inside, a little bit outside. Here we go. 12, squeeze. And 2, nice. 3, hitting more upper back. 4, 5, nice. 6, go ahead. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and back up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Then exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Place your mini band higher than your knees. Now as this move, we're gonna squat, hip backward, right? Backward. And from here, what we're gonna do, starting from the right leg, we're gonna open towards the side, 12. Right, back, left, back. So on each side, we're gonna do 12. Drive your head backwards, inhale deeply first. Let's work right side first. And 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, continue. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, go ahead, 12 more. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Back up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We continue with the next one. We're gonna do RDLs starting from the left leg. 12 RDLs, and the right leg step back, bring it back and up. Backward, step, back, forward, backward. Here we go. 12 on each side. Adjust, make sure you're opening your legs a little bit wider, you can feel the tension. Here we go. 12. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Okay, take a deep breath. Switching. Right leg, make sure you open your knees. Let's work. Hip backwards and then step with the left leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Take a deep breath. And we continue. Place your mini band lower than your knees. Then from here, we're gonna elevate our heels. We're gonna start squatting by pushing your knees a little bit outside, not forward, but a little bit outside. Here we go. 12. 1. Heels elevated. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5. Keep pushing. 6. Nice. Squat. 7. Awesome. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, arms on the ground. Lock your core lower back. Place your arms on the ground. Push from your shoulder blades. We're gonna elevate our knees first. And then look, you may find challenging, but try. You need to bend your elbows on the ground, at the same time push your knees outside and back. Push and back. Push and back. When you're lowering your elbows towards the ground, you need to open up your knees towards the side. Here we go. 12. Take a deep breath. Lock a core lower back. Push. Let's work. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push. 8. Push. 9. Push. 10. 11. 12. And release. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna rotate our pelvis again, lock your collar back, push from your shoulder blades up. Open, elevate your knees, then left leg drives up backwards, 12, and up, 2, go ahead, 3, keep it bended, 4, higher, 5, push, 6, nice, 7, go ahead, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Right leg rotate, elevate, let's work. 12. Keep your band tight. 2, nice. 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, continue. 11, 12, release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna just hold each leg 10 seconds. Rotate your pelvis, push your shoulder blades up. Left leg goes straight up. We're gonna hold 10 seconds. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Exhale. Rotate, elevate. Up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Release. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, let's add some core. Standing core. Place your mini band down, step on it. Take a deep breath. From here, bend your right leg up. Hold it tight 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch left, up, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna slightly bend both of our legs, bring it closer to the right. From here, we're gonna exhale, and we're gonna flex our left and push our right up and down, up and down. Make sure your left knee is not driving too much forward. I will do it from the side. Here we go. 12 on each leg, and up, and 2, more power. 3, high. 4, 5, push. 6, nice. 7, push. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Same thing with the right leg. Bend it first, hip backwards a little bit. Let's get started with the left. And up, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Take a deep breath again. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, let's finish with hamstrings. Left leg inside. Sorry, right leg inside. We're gonna start from the right leg. From here, we're gonna bend the right leg. I think you should be familiar with this. You saw many times in my videos, maybe in some other videos as well. Here we go, right leg and squeeze. 1, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, push. 6, 7, squeeze. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Then we'll switch, left leg inside, step with the right one. Let's work, left one. And 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, nice, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and release. That's it. Let's finish with a quick stretch. Take a deep breath. If you can, open the legs towards the side. Try to reach with the butt the ground. Breathe a little bit. Let's work with our pelvis back and forward, back, forward, back, forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then arms on the ground, take a deep breath, down dog. Exhale, breathe 3, 2, 1. Right knee on the ground, left leg towards the right side. Feel that stretch in your right side of your butt. 3, 2, 1. Then you switch, down dog. Left. Let's work. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Awesome. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Peace out.